Good morning, my family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali Casper. Today we're going to make pancit. Pancit Filipino style. Bihon, which is the white noodle. So, my friends, I'll show you the ingredients. Guys, if you're not subscribed in my channel yet, please subscribe over here, like and comment, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified in my next video.
One hour later.
And next is your spices, garlic. Next is the pork or any kind of meat you like. Next is the vegetables. Even if it is frozen, it's not really cooked, so you need to cook the vegetables also. So you need to cook the vegetables and then put all the spices like garlic salt, seasoned salt, pepper, and all the spices. Then black pepper. Guys, to those who didn't cook any pancit yet, make sure, the rice sticks, noodles, make sure you soak the noodle in the hot water for like 3 minutes and then wash it good. Guys, next, when the vegetables are cooked, next is the noodles. Mix it well. Next is the cabbage, sliced cabbage. And then last we need to put some spinach. It's up to you, whatever kind of vegetables you like, but I love vegetables, so more vegetables are good. Guys, if you like spinach, put some spinach. If you don't like, just the cabbage and other kinds of vegetables. For us, we love spinach, so spinach is good for you. Mix it. Mix it good. Spinach, just cook it for like 2 minutes and it's done. Guys, this is our first test of our noodles.
Yummy, guys. Good job, Dan.
Actually, it's pretty good. We put some spinach.
Yummy. Good job, Dan.
Thank you.